Creating a sanitary home is about more than just appearances. It's about maintaining a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. While cleaning removes dirt and grime, sanitizing goes a step further by reducing the number of germs on surfaces to a safe level. This guide breaks down what needs to be sanitized in your home and how often to ensure a truly clean living space. While most of us can't maintain this routine weekly, it has a purpose when needed. This sanitizing routine is usually needed after you or someone else in your home has been sick. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. First, we're going to grab a spray bottle and some rubbing alcohol to create a simple but effective sanitizing spray. Rubbing alcohol can sanitize surfaces effectively. It typically contains isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, both of which are excellent disinfectants when used correctly. Here's what you need to know. How rubbing alcohol sanitizes. Rubbing alcohol works by breaking down the proteins and dissolving the lipids of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, effectively killing them. For it to be effective, the alcohol concentration should be between 60 and 90%, with 70% being ideal for general sterilization. Best practices for using rubbing alcohol. Number 1, you'll want to clean the surface first. Dirt and grime can reduce the effectiveness of rubbing alcohol. Wipe the surface with soapy water before applying it. Step 2 is to apply the alcohol. Use a spray bottle or a clean cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol to coat the surface. Number 3, you'll want to let it sit. Allow the alcohol to sit on the surface for at least 30 seconds, preferably up to a minute, to effectively kill germs. And number 4, you might want to let it air dry. Let the surface air dry rather than wiping it off to ensure maximum effectiveness. When to avoid using rubbing alcohol. Porous surfaces. It can damage materials like wood or leather over time. Delicate electronics. Use sparingly only on surfaces like screens with a small amount with a microfiber cloth. And then, of course, food prep areas. While it does kill germs, it's not food safe. Use food safe disinfectants for cutting boards and countertops, which we'll cover in this video. Rubbing alcohol is a convenient and effective tool for sanitizing many household surfaces, provided it's used carefully and in the right concentration. Now, let's cover some house cleaning hygiene tips. What should we be cleaning and sanitizing routinely, especially after being sick? High-touch surfaces. Why they matter. High-touch surfaces are hot spots for germs and bacteria since they're frequently used by multiple people. These surfaces can spread illness if not cleaned regularly. Now let's cover what to sanitize. Doorknobs, light switches, remote controls, faucet handles, smartphones, and tablets. At what frequency? You could clean them daily during flu season or if someone in the household is sick. Or you could clean them weekly as part of a general cleaning routine. How to clean and sanitize them. You can use disinfecting wipes or sprays designed to kill germs. Apply the disinfectant, making sure to let the surface air dry to ensure maximum germ killing effectiveness. Avoid using overly wet wipes on electronics. Instead, opt for screen-safe disinfecting products. Now let's look at some kitchen hygiene. Why it's crucial. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, but it's also a prime spot for bacteria, especially around food preparation areas. Now let's cover what to sanitize in the kitchen. Countertops, cutting boards, sinks, sponges, and appliances like the fridge and microwave. At what frequency? Countertops and sinks should be wiped after each use. Sponges, you could clean them daily or every few days. You can sanitize them by microwaving them when wet for 1 to 2 minutes or for boiling them for 5 minutes. In the fridge, you'll want to deep clean monthly. How to clean and sanitize. Use food-safe disinfectants on surfaces where food is prepared. For cutting boards, wash thoroughly with hot soapy water and disinfect with a diluted bleach solution or white vinegar. You can regularly wash and replace sponges to avoid cross-contamination. Now let's talk about bathroom cleanliness, why it's essential. Bathrooms can harbor germs, mold, mildew, and making regular sanitation key is preventing health issues. What to sanitize? Toilets, showers and bathtubs, sinks, and toothbrush holders. At what frequency? Toilets and sinks at least weekly or more often if heavily used. Showers and bathtubs need a weekly deep cleaning, and toothbrush holders need weekly cleaning to prevent bacteria buildup. How to clean and sanitize them? Use bathroom-specific cleaners for surfaces like toilets and sinks. For showers and tubs, scrub with a mildew remover or a bleach solution. Don't forget to disinfect the toothbrush holder by soaking it in hot soapy water or in a disinfecting solution. Now let's look at bedroom and living areas. Why it's important. While these areas may not seem germ-prone, they can still accumulate dust, allergens, and bacteria over time. Let's look at what to sanitize. Bedding, curtains, carpets and rugs, and electronics like TV remotes and gaming consoles. At what frequency? Bedding you'll want to wash weekly in hot water to kill dust mites and bacteria. Carpet and rugs you'll want to vacuum weekly and deep clean as often as you can or every 3 to 6 months. Electronics you'll want to wipe down weekly with screen-safe disinfectants. How to clean and sanitize. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter for carpets and rugs to remove allergens. Wash curtains according to the care label or vacuum them if they're not washable. For electronics, a microfiber cloth or a small amount of alcohol solution will work well. And now let's look at some miscellaneous items and why they shouldn't be overlooked. Items like trash cans, pet areas, and kids' toys often harbor hidden germs. What to sanitize? Trash cans, pet beds, toys, food bowls, kids' toys, and play areas. At what frequency? Trash cans you'll want to wash and sanitize weekly. Pet areas you'll want to clean weekly or more often if heavily used. And kids' toys, you can wash the hard toys weekly, fabric toys monthly, or after someone has been sick. How to clean and sanitize them. For trash cans, scrub with soap and water and then disinfect with a bleach solution or the alcohol spray. Pet bowls should be washed daily, while toys can be cleaned with pet-safe disinfectants. For kids' toys, use baby-safe cleaning products or run them through the dishwasher on the top shelf if they're dishwasher safe. Now let's look at some cleaning products and tools that we need to sanitize. Why they need attention. Your cleaning tools can quickly become breeding grounds for bacteria if not maintained properly. What to sanitize. Mops, sponges, cleaning cloths. And how to sanitize them. Detachable mop heads can often be machine washed. For non-detachable heads, soak them in a bleach solution and allow them to air dry outside after use. Sponges, you'll want to sanitize daily by microwaving them wet or boiling them. Replace them every 1 to 2 weeks. Cleaning cloths, you'll want to wash in hot water after each use. Avoid cross-contamination by using different cloths for different areas. Maintaining a sanitary home doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By knowing what needs attention and setting a regular cleaning schedule, you can keep your living space both clean and healthy. Start with high-touch areas, then move on to the kitchen, bathroom, and other parts of the house. A little daily effort can go a long way in creating a safe and sanitary environment for everyone in your home. Thanks for watching.